You know what? The problem with Filipinos is that they want the bare minimum, but they also want to be comfortable. Now, problema yung ganong mindset dahil yung bare minimum is just for survival, not for being comfortable. Now, kung gusto nyong maging komportable, 'di ba? Katulad ng mga milyonaryo or bilyonaryo nyong hini-hate. Now, yung ginawa ng mga millionaires or billionaires, that's not called bare minimum. And yun yung resulta nung effort nila. O tapos magrarason na naman kayo dyan. Sabi nyo, bakit yung mga diskaya, ganito, ganyan. Guys, I'm talking about the legitimate billionaires and millionaires. Okay? Now I know, hindi pa rin kayo makokontento doon. So, ganito yan. You presume regularity unless proven otherwise. Okay, goods? Now, balik tayo doon sa sakit ng ulo, yung mga Pilipino na may mindset na gagawa ako ng bare minimum pero gusto kong maging komportable. Now, hindi na-realize ng mga Pilipino na yan na there's a price for comfort. And depende sa kung anong level ng comfort yung gusto mo, of course, mas mataas or mas malaki yung hinihinging kapalit. Now, walang pumipigil sa'yo para ibigay yung kinakailangan na kapalit para makuha mo yung comfort na yun. But the problem is, tingin nila, madudugas nila si truth by doing the bare minimum and being comfortable. But hindi nila mauuto si truth. Of course, equivalent exchange, Full Metal Alchemist. 'Di ba? Hindi niya mauuto si truth and magba-bounce back or babalik sa inyo yung kalapastanganan nyo in a different form. And yun na yung kung ano yung tinatamasa nyo ngayon. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.